G'day guys, it's Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Tamiya Get Going pack. So if you've bought any one of the Tamiya range, 90% of them you'll need the Tamiya Get Going pack to get it finished off. Whether you've bought one of their on-road cars, one of their off-road cars, or one of their re-release vintage cars, chances are you'll need the Get It Going pack to turn it from a static model into a working RC racer. So first thing in the Get It Going pack will be the radio and the receiver. So that's a very good unit on this one. You'll find that once it's packaged up, is really reasonably priced and it's really good quality. 2.4 gigahertz, it's got a rechargeable battery self-contained in it. It's a really good, reliable unit. And the next thing you'll need in your Tamiya pack is going to be your battery. Now every radio control car needs a battery, and this is a Tamiya stick style nickel metal hydride battery. It's really good, really solid, dependable unit. Here we've got the steering servo. Now that's to make the car turn, the vehicle turn. So everybody needs that. It's a fairly basic, straightforward unit. Comes with a 25 tooth spline, so you'll have to put your Futaba style servo saver, which will be in the kit, onto the servo as you're building the car up. An important note there is that you probably want to get the radio gear powered on and the steering trim central before you put the steering servo saver on, and that'll ensure that everything's nice and central and mounted, and everything's true and correct coming to finishing touches. Now of course the next part is going to be the charger. Now this is the A3 Pro model, really good dependable unit. And a battery like this one here that comes with the Tamiya kit, you can expect it's going to be charged in around 40 minutes to 50 minutes maybe, I would say. Depends obviously on how much you flatten it. So that's a Tamiya Get It Going pack. Everything you need to turn your Tamiya radio control car into a functional RC racer.